In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted emails from Gmail. If you've ever accidentally deleted an email or suddenly found yourself needing a message you thought was gone, don't worry. We're here to guide you through the simple steps to retrieve those potentially important emails. First things first, you'll need to open your Gmail account in your browser. Ensure you're logged into the account from where you want to recover the deleted emails. If you haven't done so yet, open a new tab in your browser and type in www.gmail.com. This will direct you to your Gmail login page if you weren't logged in already. Go ahead and enter your login credentials when prompted, and you'll be welcomed by your inbox, which is where we'll kick off this recovery process. Now, direct your attention to the left-hand menu of your Gmail interface. Here, you'll typically find options such as your inbox, send emails, and drafts folders. For our recovery mission, however, we're interested in the trash folder. You might not see this folder at first glance, which is fairly common. In this case, look for the More option and click on it to reveal an extended list of folders. This will unveil the trash folder among others. Once you've located and clicked on the trash folder, you'll have entered a storage area filled with emails you may have thought were lost. This folder is essentially a holding area for all emails you've deleted within the last 30 days. Remember, emails older than 30 days are permanently deleted from here and typically cannot be retrieved, so acting promptly is crucial if you're searching for an older communication. As you peruse the contents of your trash folder, keep an eye out for the emails you wish to bring back to life. Once you've identified them, it's time to take action. You'll notice a small checkbox to the left of each email. Clicking this checkbox will select the email, indicating to Gmail which messages you want to restore. With your selected emails checked, look toward the top of the Gmail interface for an icon labeled Move To. This icon resembles a folder with an arrow pointing outwards. It plays a critical role in our recovery process. Clicking on Move To triggers a drop-down menu featuring various folders like Inbox, Drafts, and any customized folders you might have. For our recovery purposes, direct these emails back to your inbox. This returns them to their rightful place, ensuring they are readily accessible whenever you need them. And there you have it, a straightforward, effective method for recovering those seemingly lost emails from your Gmail account. Keep this handy whenever you need a rescue mission on your deleted emails.